Hi guys, welcome to the next section, Creating a Movie Recommendation Engine with Keras. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading MovieLens datasets. There is a great research lab center that began in 1992 in Minneapolis, Minnesota called GroupLens, which focuses on recommendation engines and has graciously put together millions of rows of data over several years from the MovieLens website. We will use its dataset as our data source for training our recommendation engine model. The MovieLens dataset is housed and maintained by GroupLens website. It is important to note that the dataset we will use will come directly from their website and not from a third-party intermediary or repository. Additionally, there are two different datasets that are available for us to query. First one is recommended for new research, and the second one is recommended for education and development. The purpose of using this dataset is purely for educational purposes, so we will download the data from the Education and Development section of the website. The educational data still contains a significant number of rows for our model, as it contains 100,000 ratings. Additionally, this dataset has information regarding over 600 anonymous users collected over a period of several years between September 1995 and March 2015. The dataset was last updated in September 2018. We will download the research version of the smaller MovieLens dataset, which is available for public download at this link. Let's navigate to this link. Now we will download the zip file called ml-latest-small.zip to one of our local folders. In my case, I am using Section 5 folder. When ml-latest-small.zip is downloaded, just unzip it. The extracted file will have links.csv, movies.csv, ratings.csv, and tags.csv. Let's navigate to our Jupyter notebook. First, execute this script to begin our Spark session. Next, we confirm these 6 files are available for access by executing this script. These are 5 files that are available for our access. Using this script, we load each dataset into a Spark data frame. Let's execute it. The datasets are all available in the zipped file ml-latest-small.zip, where the ratings.csv dataset will serve as the pseudo-fact table of our data, since it has transactions for each movie that is rated. The dataset, ratings, has the 4 column names. We can look at it by executing this script. As you can see, these are the 4 column names in the dataset. Using this line of code, the dataset shows the rating selected by each user ID over the course of their time, from the earliest rating to the latest rating. The range of a rating can vary from 0.5 to 5.0 stars, as seen by user ID equals 1. We will execute this line of code. The tags dataset contains a tag column that contains a specific word or phrase used by that user to describe a specific movie ID at a specific timestamp, as you can see in this output. The movies dataset is primarily a lookup table for the genre of films that have ratings. We will add and execute this script. There are 19 unique genres that can be associated with a film. However, it is important to note that a film can be affiliated with more than one genre at a time. Here, the final dataset is the links dataset, which also functions as a lookup table. This is the output. It connects movies from MovieLens to data available for those same movies on popular film database sites, such as the imdb.com, as well as the moviedb.org. The links to IMDb are under the column called IMDb ID, and links to MovieDB are under the column called TMDB ID, as you can see here in this output. Using these lines of code, we will confirm the row counts for each dataset. As you can see, it will display all the row counts for each dataset. While we are not going to use the 20 million row dataset version of MovieLens, you could elect to use it for this recommendation engine. You will still have the same 4 datasets, but with much more data, especially for the ratings dataset. If you choose to go with this approach, the full zipped dataset can be downloaded from this link. To learn more about the metadata behind the MovieLens dataset, you can visit this website. To learn more about the history and context of the MovieLens dataset, you can visit this link. To learn more about the Netflix prize, you can explore this website.